Check out this awesome vintage Denon DRR-M30 cassette deck I just scored at the thrift store. And the price? $5. The catch? It powered on, but nothing else worked. The issue? Worn out drive belts. The motor was fine, but the pulley was slipping. After replacing the belts, I cleaned and rejuvenated the pinch roller, demagnetized the tape head, and adjusted the speed to 440 hertz. Then came the moment of truth. The sound is amazing. This is definitely my new favorite cassette deck. So that's my thrift store find in quick restoration. Thanks for watching.